How to redeem HDFC credit card reward points. First of all, log into your internet banking account. Once you are logged in, scroll down and find the credit card section. Click on it and choose the card you want to use. You will now see the total reward points available on your credit card. To redeem these points, look to the sidebar and click on Redeem Reward Points under Action section. This will redirect you to the HDFC Reward Redemption portal. Now on the reward site, you will see your total points. Here you can browse different voucher options, choose what works best for you. Once you find the voucher you want, click Add to Cart. Then go to the cart icon at the top right corner. Review your selection and proceed. Now scroll down and confirm the email address where you want to receive your voucher. Click Redeem Now and confirm again. Your order will be placed and you will receive a confirmation email. The voucher code may arrive within minutes or sometimes a few hours, so keep an eye on your inbox. Once you receive the voucher, you can use it directly on the respective platform. And that's it. Now you know how to redeem HDFC credit card reward points for vouchers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.